So filming is suspicious now.
In certain situations, yeah.
Leave me alone. You want to arrest me right now? Come in then.
No, that's not
Come in
what
then.
we're gonna do.
Go and arrest me, man.
I want to make sure that you're not a threat to them.
Some officers have spotted you walking and filming with a GoPro, which they have found slightly suspicious.
Spotted me? How did they spot me? Suspicious.
Some officers have spotted you walking and filming with a GoPro, which they have found slightly suspicious. An officer states, instantly escalating a casual public encounter into a defensive standoff. The citizen is lawfully recording outside a venue, allegedly hosting celebrities and royalty, when police approach him on behalf of private security. The officers attempt to initiate a voluntary conversation to eliminate suspicion, but the citizen correctly recognizes this as a law enforcement fishing expedition. He firmly refuses to answer their investigatory questions, accusing the police of profiling and treating a completely legal activity filming in public as a precursor to a crime. We are about to watch a textbook example of a citizen utilizing their right to remain silent against an unwarranted police inquiry.
But what's the reason that you asking me what am I doing?
We're just approaching you, sir. We're allowed to approach people.
Right, don't approach me then.
We can approach you.
Yeah, you don't approach me. Do one.
Okay. So you're not going to answer any of our questions?
Do I have to?
You don't have to, no, but it makes things easier.
What do you mean by easy?
As in, if you answer our questions, we can just.
But
see.
why though?
Well, because we've approached you.
But why are you approaching me?
Some officers have spotted you walking and filming with a GoPro, which they have found slightly suspicious.
Spotted me? How did they spot me? Suspicious?
Well, yes, because you're filming with GoPro whilst you're walking up and down this road.
Oh, so filming is suspicious now?
Well, it can be.
Not necessarily. We're not saying it is suspicious, but it can be seen as it.
Can be seen filming, can be seen as suspicious.
In certain situations, yeah. We're not saying it is.
But she said suspicious.
So it could be seen that way. We're not saying it is. We're saying it could be viewed that way. That's why.
No, but you already said it. You already said it right now.
I haven't said you're doing anything suspiciously.
Yeah.
I haven't said that.
She said.
You said it could be
What's your name?
viewed.
What's your
My
name?
name is PC Paris.
Oh, Paris. You're going to get a complaint on this, yeah?
Okay, that's okay.
So why are you approaching me then? You said suspicious of what?
Well, just asking you.
Why am I suspicious?
Why are you filming?
Because I can.
Okay. Have you got a ticket to the game? That's
Can
why
I not
asked
do?
you
Why do I have to have a ticket to be outside?
No.
So why are you
walking
asking?
in this area.
Why are you asking? Can you please leave me alone?
Are you not going to answer any further?
Leave me alone.
You want us to leave you alone?
Leave me alone. Yes. You should be catching criminals outside, yeah.
Yeah, well, we're in this area for this particular reason. We're deployed here today.
So what are you saying? Are you saying I'm a criminal? Am I allowed
That's
to
not
say?
what I said.
So what are you saying then? Why are you trying to?
We just came up with you to have a conversation with you. Is all we did.
No, but I don't want to have a conversation with you because you know that why you came back. You came back. She just said suspicious.
I said officers identified you.
It's quite simple.
Yeah.
Staff spoke to us.
So sorry. Do you mind identifying yourself,
Yeah, my
please?
name's Paul Rogers, I'm a police sergeant.
Show the number, please. Show the number.
217 Sierra Whiskey.
You're recording, but you're not letting me know outside. Sorry.
I was introducing myself. I am recording, yeah.
But you didn't let me know. You've been recording for a while right now.
Hey,
That doesn't go against the policy.
We've had a call from the club because you've been around a few gates, filming them, and they've asked us to come and see if there's anything suspicious. At the minute, you're just filming.
So they told you you've had a call from them, right?
They've asked us.
What's the CAD number?
They've got it's a card, it's a message.
So you had a call for them because everything has been registered, right?
They have our own control. They have their control.
Because I'm trying to request that CAD number as well.
It's not
So it's
CAD
suspicious.
number, sir.
So what you said you had a call? You had a call from who? You said it's all on camera.
wasn't a call.
It was not a call. It's not a call from the public. Some of the radio was said
Yeah.
that the staff, you've been around a few gates, asking where the celebrity gate is. We've done a bit of filming, and they've asked us to come up and make sure.
Is that suspicious?
They've
They've
asked
asked us
us.
to come up and eliminate if it's suspicious or not.
No. I'm saying. Is that suspicious? Is that suspicious asking about celebrities?
No, sir.
No, but they've
asked
asked
us.
They've asked us to see if there's anything suspicious.
What?
That's not for us to justify. That's for the public to justify.
They've asked you.
They've asked us
Asked
to
us.
approach
Too
you.
hard.
Because
So
they
who
don't have-
asked you? Because I want to make a complaint about them as well. Because they can't just. So if I ask about celebrities, that's suspicious.
No, they've asked us to see if there's anything suspicious about why you're asking for celebrities. Are you a celebrity spotter?
Why am I asking
Do you
about
wanna get an autograph
celebrities?
from them?
Why am I asking?
They want to make sure.
What's the celebrities for?
Because Because there are celebrities here.
What's the celebrities for then?
Eh?
What's the celebrities for? Why are they called celebrities?
Because they are public facing people. They I get what you're saying.
Public facing people. So what's suspicious about that, Sergeant? Sorry, what's suspicious about that, Sergeant?
Nothing. Nobody's suspicious.
But he told me he just had a call yet from these guys, right? Because I want to make a complaint about them right now.
I said, can you come and see if there's anything suspicious? In a minute,
Can't you come and see anything suspicious?
Yeah.
All right, then.
You just want to film some celebrities. That is fine. You want to film some celebrities?
It doesn't matter who I want to film. I'm in public still, right? I'm in public.
That's fine.
I could do what I want.
Okay, fine.
So why are they approaching me then? Why are you approaching me, all of you?
Because they've asked and said make sure, because this area does have celebrities. It has members of royalty here. It has some fairly important people.
So why though?
I'm satisfied.
Why though?
Because we don't want people to get hurt. I'm
So
satisfied.
are you saying that what am I a criminal?
No, sir.
No.
we're not
So why
saying-
are you saying that then?
We've
We're
approached you.
we're trying to rule out the fact that he may or may not be.
Why are you trying to rule out?
Sir, because we've received
What have I
that
done?
information.
Would you want
We just want to
someone- would you want
eliminate that
someone to get
suspicion.
Listen,
Would you want someone to get hurt?
you just listen. You have not approached everyone right now. There are a lot of people filming on the other side right now. I've seen them, yeah. So you haven't approached anyone. You just approached me. Why though?
We're
Why?
covering this road. If we see a lot of people filming down there, we'll go speak to them as well.
Yeah, no, you haven't.
I told you that
No, you haven't. No, you haven't.
I told you that's our job here today.
No, you haven't.
Engaging
That's not
with
your
people.
job. No,
We
you haven't
started-
engaged no people
we
apart from me,
started here
man.
at 2 o'clock.
I've seen you. I've noticed you all over because I've been filming all over, walking all around. I've seen you. I've not approached anyone from early morning.
No, we've been here since 3 o'clock.
No, I've seen all the place.
Yes,
seen the
those were
police,
our
but
other
our
Us
shit.
personally,
Us personally been here since 3 o'clock. So we don't know you from Adam. We don't know you from anyone.
But I don't know you either. I don't know you from Adam. That's what I'm saying. I've seen. But why are you only just you approaching me? That's the thing. You know what I mean? 'Cause she's already said something suspicious. So suspicious what about film?
We're gonna be approaching everyone during the day. We're gonna go about
No,
our way
you
now.
didn't. No, you didn't, man. No, you didn't. Stop this profiling, man. Stop this profiling. That's what I gotta tell you. Yeah? Stop profiling people.
Profiling.
If you're saying I'm criminal right now, do what you want. You want to arrest me? Come and do it, man.
That's not what we said.
So what do you want to do, man? Well, you leave me
You're
alone
free to
then.
do. We just wanted to ask you some questions.
Leave me alone. You want to arrest me right now? Come on then.
No, that's not
Come
what
on
we're
then.
gonna do.
Have a
Go
good
on,
day,
arrest me,
have a
man.
good day, sir.
What do you want? What do you want, man? Do you want, man?
The encounter concludes with the citizen aggressively demanding the officers either arrest him or leave him alone, forcing the police to back off. Legally, filming in a public space is a protected right, and simply holding a camera does not automatically generate the reasonable, articulable suspicion required to lawfully detain someone or demand identification. The officers admitted they were merely executing a consensual contact to appease nervous security staff, but their poor choice of words labeling the filming as suspicious immediately derailed the interaction. The citizen successfully held his ground, proving that you do not have to participate in a police investigation simply because someone else feels uncomfortable with your lawful actions. If you support holding police accountable, hit that subscribe button to join the channel.